Jude Ekwunife Ozonkpu Barr has been applauded for his exceptional community service. This came to the fore during the inauguration of projects built by Jude Ekwunife to mark his birthday. Daniel Barr reports.
One of the finest of Enugwu-Ukwu Kingdom, a kind and humble man, a philanthropist like no other can best describe Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife Okwuatuegwu. On his birthday, he feels it's right to build a 2-kilometer road and a bus stand in Enugwu-Ukwu as part of his desire to give back to the society. Inauguration of the projects was performed by the Mayor Njikoka local government area, the traditional ruler of Enugwu-Ukwu, His Royal Majesty Ralph Obumneme Ekpe, Eze Enugwu-Ukwu N'Igwu-Munri, and other illustrious sons of the community.
The mayor.
Because we are by this way, we have reduced to a reasonable extent the responsibility of Anambra State government and Nigeria by extension. All Ekene, Nairobi, overstand. When I upon all the stakeholders, he is not the only one in Enugwu-Ukwu that I know very well that in the Enugwu-Ukwu for they have come something similar like this. Many of them. But we are encouraging other people to come.
The Mayor Njikoka said these projects align with the Governor Soludo's determination to ensure partnering individuals in development of the state.
So this project is not just a small one, it's a very massive one, and we applaud it so much. It is going to impact so much because if you look at the road, it is very sound, and it has eased movement of all the people around this place.
Attracted much development. Enugwu-Ukwu is becoming a city within the cities of Oka. What you can see is the effort of the good citizens, men of good wills. Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife Okwuatuegwu Enugwu-Ukwu have done his own part.
The benefactor, Ozonkpu Jude Ekwunife, this is just one of the ways of appreciating God for keeping him in good health and for his blessings upon his life.
We do this because I felt that the community has been so good to me all my life, all my years, both growing up and the stage where I am now. The society, the community, the members of the communities have been of immense assistance to me.
Guests at the occasions were treated to sumptuous delicacies from Enugwu-Ukwu in Njikoka local government area. Daniel Barr, NTA News.